engine is a single-fin stainless steel coil that is designed to float freely. This unique feature allows for rapid thermal cycles by allowing the coil to expand or contract as needed. Cold water enters the coil at the bottom and is heated precisely to the set temperature before emerging at the top, ready for use. The modulating premix burner fires radially outwards to precisely match the load. Flue gases move downwards to the bottom casting while water flows up in the opposite direction, absorbing maximum heat along the way. By condensing the flue gases, an additional 12% heat is absorbed. The condensate flows downwards in the same direction as the flue gases, thereby preventing any gas side fouling. Our heat exchangers also have the unique feature of being self-descaling. Our patented vibration and turbulent flow technology keeps limescale in suspension.